Okay, class. So, continuation for our week 14 topic. So, our topic is about the sorting algorithm. So, I already discussed the bubble sort. So, this time, continuation, this is sorting algorithm. So, this time, i-discuss natin about the selection sort. Okay? So, the idea of the selection sort class is a combination of searching and sorting. The basic idea is to repeatedly select the smaller kapag ascending order or biggest kapag descending order. So, the remaining in the unsorted list of data as the next key is growing sorted list of data. Okay? So, kung ikukumpara natin yung selection sort sa bubble sort, so mas direct yung selection sort kumpara sa bubble sort. Kasi yung bubble sort class, iniisa-isa niya yung kada elements niya bago niya isa-isang ini-swap yung kada elements dun sa proper position kung either in form of ascending or descending. Dito sa selection is direkta niya sinasabi kung sino yung pinakamaliit, kung ascending order, then ina-assign na siya kung anong position siya ilalagay. Okay? So, ganun yung idea nung selection sort. Okay? So, this time class, i-discuss ko kung paano yung switching ng element ng selection sort. So, for example here, may given elements tayo or series of number which is equivalent to 23, 42, 4, 16, 8, and 15. So, isosort natin to in form of ascending order. Okay? So, halimbawa, okay? So, you have 23, 42, 4, 16, then we have 8, then meron tayong last element which is equivalent to 15. Okay? So, ang gagawin ng program natin, class, is automatic, is i-identify niya kung ascending order, yung pinakamaliit na values dito sa series of number. So, dito, ang pinakamaliit na number is 4. So, since yung 4 ang pinakamababang number, so kailangan pumosition siya sa unahan. So, para pumosition siya sa unahan, kailangan nila magpalit ni 23. Okay? So, ang magiging bagong value ng series of number natin is equivalent to 4, 42, this one is 23, 16, this one is 8, and this one is equivalent to 15. Okay? Next is, hahanapin uli ng program nyo kung sino yung pangalawang pinakamababa. In this case, ang pangalawang pinakamababa ay si 8. So, si 8 kailangan pumosisyon dun sa second elements ng series of number nyo. Okay? So, kailangan nilang mag-swap ni 42. So, ito ngayon, magiging 4. This is 8. Okay? So, 23, 16. Okay? So, si 42, dito ngayon magpo-possession. Then, this one is equivalent to 15. Okay? Next is, yung pangatlong pinakamababa ay si 15. So, kailangan nilang mag-swap ni 23. Okay? So, ang magiging bago uling value ng series of number natin is 4, 8, 15, 16. So, this one is 42. And this one is equivalent to 23. Okay? So, again, hahanapin na naman ni program yung pang-apat na pinakamababa. Okay? Since si 16 nasa position na siya na ika-apat na elements, so wala nang swapping or switching ng value. Okay? Since si 16 ay nasa pang-apat na element na. So, rather, mag-proceed siya at hanapin niya yung pang-limang pinakamababa. In this case, si 23 yung pang-apat na pinakamababa. So, kailangan nilang mag-switch ni 42 para si 23 pumosisyon sa ikalimang elements. Okay? So, ang magiging bagong series of number natin is magiging 4, 8, 15, 16, this one is 23, at ito ay magiging 42. Okay? So, since naka-ascending order na to, so automatic is, okay, so magi-stop na ng swap ng value yung program natin. Kasi naka-form na siya ng ascending order. Okay? So, this time class, i-convert natin yung selection sort natin in form of C++ program. Okay? So, open natin yung C++ program natin. Then, ang first step natin is kailangan muna nating mag-set ng array sa loob ng program natin na merong 6 na elements. So, based dito sa example natin, meron tayong 6 elements. So, lagay natin items. So, ang size natin is 6. So, ang laman ng array nyo ay equivalent sa 23. Okay, so you have 42, 4, 16. Okay, so you have 8, then you have here 15. Okay, oops, close parenthesis, then semicolon. Okay, so aside itong elements na isosort natin, ang gagawin natin is magde-declare tayo na dalawang variable para sa nested for loop nyo. So you have I, J, then again temp para dun sa passing of element once na mas maliit yung value, yung isang number at ipoposition natin siya dun sa kabilang value of elements, okay? So, yung ginagamit for switching of element. Then, also, maglalagay tayo ng minimum item para ma-identify natin kung ascending order, kung sino yung pinakamababang elements doon sa series of number natin. Okay? Then, also, is equivalent 6. Yun yung gagawin ng elements natin. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, class, is palabasin muna natin itong series of number natin. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng for loop, integer x is equal to 0, x is less than n, which is equivalent to 6. Then, you have your x increment. Okay? Open, then another close here. Okay? Then, i-output natin yung mga series of number natin. So, lagay natin items. Okay? Then, ang counter natin is x. So, para magkaroon siya ng ma-separate natin yung kada value ng elements natin, maglagay tayo ng comma rito. Then, you have here semicolon. Okay? So, check muna natin kung mapapalabas natin yung series of number natin. Okay? So, check natin. Lumabas si 23, 42, 4, 16, 8, and also 15. Okay, so ito muna yung pinalabas natin. Sunod natin, next class is sort na natin yung series of number natin. Okay, so dito, ang ginawa natin class is pinalabas muna natin yung series of number natin. Okay, ang next step natin class is magsiset tayo ng nested for loop para ma-sort na natin yung series of number natin using the selection sort. Okay? So, first, sa outer loop natin, you have 4. Okay? So, you have I is equal to 0. I is less than N minus 1. Okay? Then you have here I increment. Okay? So, you have here when. And sa baba ng outer loop nyo, ilalagay nyo dyan is minimum index. I-assign nyo yung value ni I. Okay? So, bakit natin in-assign si value of I? Kasi for example, dun sa first loop nyo, pumosition siya dito sa unang value ng series of number nyo. Ang gagawin niya, class, is hahanapin niya kung alin dito ang pinakamababang numbers doon sa series of number nyo. Okay? Kung nahanap na niya yung pinakamababang number, automatic dito sa pinakaunahan. Okay? Which is yun yung value ng index. Okay? So, yun yung kaya inassign natin yung value ng I as the value of your minimum index. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka-purpose niyan. Okay? So, after nyan, class, is isiset na natin yung inner loop natin. Sa value ng inner loop, ilalagay nyo is J is equal to I plus 1. Okay? Then, ito magiging J less than N. Then, this one is J increment. Okay? Then, after the class, gagawin nyo is pag nahanap na niya kung alin yung pinakamaliit na numbers na sa series of number nyo, automatic i-assign nyo sa minimum index nyo. Okay? Is equal to J. Okay? So, ang mangyayari dyan, class, yung J, siya yung mag-identify kung sino yung position na pinaka-minimum index mo. Okay? In that case, ang minimum index is 4. Therefore, ang J nyo, okay, sa last comparing niya do sa bawat series of number nyo, ang pinaka-last value ni J nyo ay si 4. Therefore, si J, i-assign niya na ang value or yung location nyo, at one nakalocate yung pinaka-minimum index nyo. Okay? Which is equivalent kay 4. So, since na-identify niya kung sino yung pinaka-minimum, ang gagawin niya is, kailangan mo mag-ito siya sa unahan. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng condition. Ano yung magiging condition? If minimum index, okay, is not equal to I. Okay? So, ano magiging idea nito? Okay? So, magkakaroon lang siya ng swapping ng element kapag ang minimum index mo ay hindi equivalent sa I. Okay? Kasi kapag yung minimum index mo ay equal to I, ibig sabihin nasa proper position na yung minimum index mo. Okay? Kasi yung sa unang loop natin, ang equivalent ng minimum index mo is 0. Okay? So, kung equal sila, yung minimum index mo sa I, ibig sabihin, yung minimum index mo ay nandito na sa unahan. So, wala lang swapping na mangyayari. Okay? Pero kapag hindi sila equivalent sa I, automatic kailangan nila magpalit ng posisyon. Okay? Doon papasok, okay, yung if condition natin. Ano magiging if condition natin? Okay? Magkakaroon tayo ng if condition. So, dito natin ilalagay si if condition. Okay? Ang condition natin is if, dito muna natin ilagay yung if condition natin, items, okay, J, okay, less than, okay, ito naman ay magiging items, okay, minimum index. Okay? Para muna sila ay ma-identify kung sino yung mga pinakamababang value ng numbers. Okay? So, ganyan classes nagkakaroon ng swapping ng element. Okay? So, ito ngayon, magiging depth is equal to items. Okay? Okay, so temporary, ipapahold the first element yung value niya kay them. Okay? Next is i-assign ni minimum index yung value niya dun sa pinakaunang value ng series of number nyo. So, ito ngayon is items. This is minimum index. Okay? Then you have here semicolon. Next is yung position ni minimum index kanina is i-assign ngayon yung laman ng unang value ng elements nyo. So, ito ngayon is minimum index. Okay? Then, ito ngayon is equal to temp. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, ito yung part ng code wherein nagpalit ng value yung elements. Okay? Then, position yung pinakamababang number nyo sa pinaka-proper position niya sa harapan. Okay? So, kailangan nila mag-swap para pumosisyon yung pinakamababang elements dun sa series of number nyo. Okay? Para ma-check natin yung swapping niya, kailangan natin mag-set ng another for loop dito. So, for integer x is 0, x is less than n. Okay, then you have your x increment, open, then another close here. Wala pang close yung pinaka-for loop natin sa taas, set natin siya dito sa baba. Okay? Ngayon, lagyan natin dito C out. Then you have items. This one is X. So, para magkaroon ng separate yung kada elements nyo doon sa series of number, maglagay tayo rito ng comma. Then you have here semicolon. Okay, class. So, para nasa proper position ng kada elements natin, lagay tayo ng backslash n dito sa taas. Okay? So, para makita natin yung kada searching niya. So, check natin. Okay? So, data class is nag-ascending order na yung ating elements. Okay? So, nagkaroon ng swapping of elements sa each of the